Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. How to open a brokerage account. Step by step for beginners. Opening a brokerage account can feel daunting, but remember, every successful investor started somewhere. Begin by heading to the website or app of your chosen brokerage and click on Open an Account. It's that simple. You'll have access to essential tools to start exploring the market and see your financial future unfold as you take charge of your investments. Now let's move on to selecting your account type, where you can choose between different options suited to your goals. Just like that, you're on your way to becoming a confident investor. After selecting your account type, you'll need to enter your personal details. This includes your full legal name, date of birth, and social security number for tax purposes. It might sound like a lot, but it's standard information, just as if you were opening a bank account. Each piece is crucial for your identity verification and maintaining the security of your investments. Once you've filled out that section, you can move on to answering some financial questions. These will help the brokerage tailor their services to your investment experience and financial goals. Step 6 is where the action really begins: linking your bank account. This step allows you to transfer funds into your brokerage account when you're ready to start investing. Be sure to enter your bank account details accurately to avoid any hiccups along the way. Most platforms will guide you through this process, providing options for either a direct transfer or electronic verification methods. Once linked, you'll enjoy seamless funding for your trading activities and create a solid foundation for your investing journey. After completing this step, it's time for the final review. Congratulations! You're about to become an official investor. Take a moment to review all the information you provided for accuracy, ensuring everything aligns perfectly. Once you submit your application, the brokerage will verify your details. This process is typically quick, often completing within a few hours to a few days. Once approved, you'll receive confirmation, and your account will be active and ready for investment. You've now unlocked the door to the financial markets and can explore stocks and assets that interest you. Remember, take your time and educate yourself about the investment landscape. The goal is to grow your wealth consistently over time. Once your account is active, it's time to take advantage of all the features at your disposal. Start by familiarizing yourself with the platform's dashboard to locate critical functionalities like viewing your portfolio and researching potential investments. Whether you're interested in stocks or exchange-traded funds, make a plan to explore them and gather information before making any trades. Remember, being informed is key to effective investing, as the decisions you make today will impact your financial future for years to come. Therefore, it's essential to approach this step carefully and thoughtfully. Now, let's discuss some key strategies for investing wisely. First and foremost, focus on setting clear financial goals. Whether you're saving for retirement, a major purchase, or simply looking to grow your wealth, having defined objectives will shape your investment decisions. Consider your time frame and risk tolerance as you outline your plan. This guidance provides a roadmap for navigating the market, ensuring your actions align with your ambitions. Next, commit to ongoing education. The investment world can be complex, with terms and trends that evolve rapidly. Regularly engaging with credible resources, books, articles, and courses will bolster your understanding and aid in making informed choices. Furthermore, consider diversifying your portfolio. Spreading your investments across various asset classes can help mitigate risk and enhance potential returns. This strategy allows you to weather fluctuations while maximizing growth opportunities. Above all, be patient and disciplined. Investing is a journey that rewards those who are steadfast in their approach. Keep track of your progress, reassess your goals when necessary, and don't let short-term setbacks derail your overall vision. Remember, successful investing is about consistency and a long-term perspective. So, you've completed the initial steps and your account is set up, but now is the crucial time to consider how to begin investing. Before jumping headfirst into the market, Take the opportunity to explore the educational resources your brokerage offers. Many platforms provide tutorials, articles, and even webinars to help you understand the complexities of investing. Familiarize yourself with the different market sectors and how they can affect your potential returns. Next, consider creating a watch list of stocks or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that pique your interest. This will not only help you focus your research efforts but will also assist you in keeping track of market movements. As you build your knowledge and confidence, start envisioning your first investment. This foundational step sets the stage for a fulfilling investing experience, ultimately leading you closer to achieving your financial goals. Step 8 is the exciting part: funding your account. With everything set up, it's time to take that leap and transfer money into your brokerage account. You can choose the amount you want to invest, starting with whatever works best for you. Many platforms offer a seamless process for adding funds through bank transfers, so you can begin exploring investment opportunities right away. As the funds arrive, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment, knowing you're one step closer to realizing your financial dreams. Once your money is in, don't rush into making trades just yet. This is your moment to strategize and plan for the future. As you prepare to make your first trades, remember that investing isn't just about jumping in. It's about developing a strategy. Take the time to review the stocks or ETFs on your watch list thoroughly. Research their past performance, industry position, and future potential. This due diligence will empower you to make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Don't hesitate to use the analytical tools provided by your brokerage. They're designed to help you better understand the market and make choices based on data rather than emotions. With this groundwork laid, you'll feel more confident navigating your investment journey. As you embark on your investment journey, remember that patience and consistency are essential. Even small investments can accumulate over time, so focus on gradually building your portfolio. With every trade you make, keep in mind your long-term objectives and the importance of making choices based on knowledge and research. By staying disciplined and continuing to educate yourself, you'll pave the way for sustainable financial growth. The stock market is full of opportunities, and with the right mindset, you can turn your initial investments into a flourishing path to wealth. Opening a brokerage account is just the beginning of your investment journey, and now that it's set up, it's time to understand how to leverage your account effectively. After funding your account, take advantage of the educational materials your brokerage provides, such as tutorials and articles, to deepen your understanding of investment principles. Creating a watch list of stocks or ETFs will also help you organize your research efforts and stay informed about market movements. As you harness this knowledge and confidence, you'll be ready to envision and execute your first investment, which is a pivotal moment on your path to achieving long-term financial success. Remember, it's essential to start simple and focus on well-known, stable investments. Next, consider index funds like VU or SPY. These provide diversification without the hassle of picking individual stocks. By investing in larger corporations with a solid track record, you're setting a foundation for gradual growth. Also, don't overlook dividend-paying stocks. They can provide a steady income stream over time. With these strategies in place, you'll position yourself for a successful journey in investing and wealth accumulation. Opening a brokerage account is a significant step towards building your wealth, and you should feel empowered by the knowledge you've gained. Take a moment to acknowledge your progress, as every investment decision you make from here shapes your financial future. Remember, the journey may have its ups and downs, but maintaining a long-term perspective will help you navigate through any challenges. Stay curious, keep learning, and enjoy the opportunities that arise as you continue on this exciting investing journey. Welcome aboard, and let's make your financial dreams a reality. You've taken the first crucial steps toward becoming a knowledgeable investor, and the journey ahead is filled with potential. Remember, the key is consistent education and patience, as these will guide you toward making smart investment choices and achieving your financial goals. Stay committed and watch your wealth grow. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Thumbs up, likes, speech balloon comments, bell subscriptions.